Hey, youngster. What youngster?
Hey, yeah, bitch. Fuck you talking about?
Bag, what's happening?
Having this shit.
Nigga, what it is? All them foreigns. Look at all them foreigns, man. Look at all that money.
And we want all the smoke, pussy.
Look at all that money.
Face shot.
Look at all that money, bro.
Hey, man, boss shit, yeah, man. You know what I'm saying? Boss shit. Hey, check me out. I don't know my dad, all right? You know I ain't got no respect for you, fuck me. You know that?
That's how we stepping back outside. All property of CMG. No one else. Look at youngster. Icy little rich nigga. Yeah. Bag just jumped out here crazy on these folks. Slam Lambo. And the slam Vic. Lamborghinis are 1, 2, 3, 4. There's one way over there. Bag jumped the slam jump. Youngster. Hey, youngster. You been riding Lambos, ain't you?
I had my shit. I was the first black African American to buy one. It's on my key.
Yeah.
It was so crazy. I had the land. I had them one right up for like 3.5 years. I'm just now starting to appreciate it. I said not depreciate it. I said I'm just now starting to appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Rich nigga shit. You know what I'm saying? Rich nigga shit.
Rich nigga shit, pussy. Fuck wrong with these niggas. And we still thug.